So let me walk around real quick, show you what I got going on. This is the house. They don't live here, they live up north. It's like a vacation home, so they're spicing it up. Look at that, nice cars. It's that New York money. Oh, New Jersey, that's where they're from, New Jersey. So all this is going to be cleaned. All these cracks got to be filled. Just more on the painting part. That's caked. All right. I'll do a screen closure. I'll go this way like this. There's people there. I don't want to put them on camera. So on the screen closure, I'm gonna start on the outside. Clean all the outside. There it goes. Clean all the outside, then on the inside. Yeah. You gotta get back up there in that piece up there. Oh shit. So all right, people, give me a second. I got everything already kind of set up. Let me just clean that hose, and I'll get back at you in a second. What's up, YouTube? This is Ralph with the finished product of painting this house. This is what it looks like now. Hot. The wall, that was real bad. That's it. Coming back this Saturday to do the pool deck. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this or not, but if I do, it'll probably be connected with at the end of one of those videos that I already posted. But anyway, thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.
Please subscribe and like the video. It helps me with the channel. I really appreciate it, and I will return the favor.